I saw this, so I made it, and I'm going to show you how to make it too. I ordered a 3D print kit online from the Dangerous Ladies. I sanded down any rough edges on every single piece of the kit. To assemble the kit, I started with the blade pieces. I mixed JB Weld plastic bonder, applied it on the connecting edges, and assembled all the blade pieces together. You have to be really patient with this process because the plastic bonder takes about 15 minutes to set. I used some Bondo, Glazing, and spot putty to fill in any seams and sanded that down to avoid any bumpiness. I test fit the blade pieces together, then moved on to the staff portion of the weapon. I mixed some more JB Weld plastic bonder and slid the remaining pieces onto a metal dowel one by one, leaving room at the top of the dowel for the blade, which I'll attach at the end. I repeated the Bondo process on any new seams I created, then sanded again. I wiped down all the pieces with a rag and a little bit of water to remove any sanding particles, then primed everything with Rust-oleum filler primer. For this step, I tried to ensure I applied an even coat to all of the pieces for the cleanest finish. For the paint job, I took some vintage gold spray paint, masked some parts of the staff, and went to town. For the blade and multicolored pieces, I took some paint recommendations from Beck of Hearts, but added my own flair. I used Dupli-color, Automotive paint, and GM light blue metallic as the base color. Then I added some Montana gold acrylic spray paint and frozen raspberry in random spots spaced out, concentrating the color to really saturate it where needed. Then I used the same technique with Ironlak gloss acrylic paint in Electro, and this vibrant teal color really brought the build to life. I was really seeing the vision here. I added Rust-oleum glitter intense shimmer finish to all the multicolored pieces and took off my painter's tape and masking. I then used some gold rub and buff to tidy up any imperfections or spots that the gold spray paint may have missed, spray finish the prop, attach the blade pieces, and voila! Now to finish the rest of the cosplay.